Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to connect the Apple Watch to the iPhone. So this is how you're gonna do. Just turn on, just power on your watch, then you're gonna turn on your phone. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so just put your pin. Okay, once you open your phone, it's gonna pop up like that, and you're gonna click on the continue, and it's gonna show you setup for yourself or setup for family. I'm going to do this setup for myself. So next, what you're gonna do is it's gonna pop up this screen. You have to scan it. All right, so it's transferring all the apps and the information I have that from the phone to Apple Watch. I'm gonna wear it on the left side, so that's why just put on left, continue, and you have to agree these terms and conditions. If you want a bold text, put this way. So whatever you control on your iPhone, it's gonna show in your iWatch. So I like that way. I'm gonna turn on. See, this is small, and this is the bold text. Continue. And create a password. So I'm gonna put the same password as my iPhone. Yeah guys, so this is how to process it. I hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for your watching.